Want to join ACCIONA but not sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's really simple. Go to the job offers section on our website. You can use the filters to simplify your search. Have you found it? Apply and log in to our job channel. Don't have an account? Sign up. It's easy. Fill in your details and confirm your email address. You can now log in and move forward with your application. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Complete all the steps. Check your details and attach the documents before submitting. And that's it. Check your inbox. You'll receive an email confirmation that your application has been completed. You will hear from us very soon. That's how easy it is to join the ACCIONA team.